What's up everybody, Tony here with iTech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung Active 2. Now, the Active 2 is geared more towards people that want to have a watch to track fitness or maybe their heart rate or something like that. It's a little different looking than the Samsung Galaxy Watch, which I also have. I'll show you a little comparison between the both. But yeah, this one just came out, and I do have the pink version. This is for the wife. She wanted the pink. And this is also the 40 millimeter version. It's also not LTE. It is the Bluetooth with the GPS and Wi-Fi. So let's go ahead and see what you get inside the box. Now, the 40 millimeter version has a 1.2 inch AMOLED screen, whereas the 44 millimeter has a 1.4 inch. It also has a smaller battery. It's only 247 milliamp hours versus the 44 millimeter 340. So that's one thing to keep in mind. So they're starting to put them in these really small boxes now. There is the watch. Put that off to the side for a second, see what else you get in here. And here is your charger. Oh, different charger this time. The other one's kind of stood up and you put your watch on it and kind of laid like this, whereas this one looks more like an Apple charger. So I guess you kind of just lay it down now, and that is it. And this looks like it's attached, so no more pulling that off. Okay, so that's the wireless charger. That just kind of sits here, and you put your watch, and it's magnetic, just kind of lays like that. Okay, so the band, very smooth, feels really nice. It's not, like a rubbery, grippy type feel. It's more of that rubber smooth feeling. Feels real nice. I do like it. And that pink, I'm not gonna joke. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I like this pink. It's nice, but I'm not gonna wear it. It's got like that matte finish to it. Super smooth. I will tell you guys, I saw all the watches inside Best Buy, and the matte finish looks the best. The stainless steel ones, they're shiny. They look cheap. It just, I don't know. It looks horrible, but I love this matte finish. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the matte, or would you rather it be shiny and kind of I don't know. I just really don't like it. And here you go. There is the back for the heart rate sensor. It's pretty cool. Got your buttons and your screen. As you can see, unlike the Galaxy Watch, there is no rotating bezel. Now you just kind of rotate it by sliding your finger across. All right, so let's go ahead and turn this on. So here is the Galaxy Watch that I have for comparison. I believe this is 46 millimeter, and like I said before, this is the 40, and you can definitely tell a size difference. These are more for like a smaller wrist, and these are more for a bigger. This one has the rotating bezel. It's pretty nice. And you can also get different bands for this as do. They're quick release bands. You hit the little tab right there and take the band right off. Very easy, just like the Galaxy Watch is. So okay, so here we're inside the Galaxy app. We have the watch already set to pair. We're gonna go ahead and pick the Galaxy Watch Active 2, so we can go ahead and pair that up. Make sure your Bluetooth's on. Okay, so you can see we got the check there. Gonna go ahead and connect. Tap to connect. Check your phone. Pairing up. Take a look around. Swipe to the left to see your widgets. Daily activity. Swipe to the right to go back to the watch face. For notifications, swipe right. Press the back key to go back. Press the home key to find your apps. Swipe left. Quick panel. Okay, so there you are, your quick toggles. Touch the screen with your palm to turn it off. Yep, that worked. All right. So let's see what kind of watch faces you get with this. We'll click and hold on here. Okay, so there you have that one. The pink. Pretty simple ones. I like that one pretty much. And then this one that gives you all the information for your workouts. There's quite a few of them. Pretty nice. Galaxy Store. So let's go back to this one. Okay. Track your heart rate. See if it'll... beats per minute. Okay. So the nice thing is it uses the Tizen software that all their other Galaxy watches usually use. So if you're pretty familiar with that, you're gonna pick this up really quick because it's pretty much the same thing, but we'll go ahead and look at some of the settings anyway. So when you swipe down, you have your quick toggles here. See, so it looks like we have the nighttime, your brightness, your volume for your ringtone. Let's see what this is. Do not disturb. Watch always on display. Your settings. Movie theater mode. Oh, so that's your flashlight. Let's go back. Power saver, Wi-Fi. Let's see what this is. I think that's to clear the water out of the speaker after you've gone swimming. Press and hold the home key to turn off water lock mode and eject water. Okay. Okay, so that's to get, like I said, the water out after you've gone swimming or something. These are also IP68 water rated. Airplane mode turns off all your connectivity. Your wireless, the Bluetooth, quick toggle, location, battery setting. You're going to go into power saving mode. Standard, power saving, watch face only, optimize battery, watch always on, screen timeout, location, wake up gesture. So anyway, let's go through some of the things you have here. These are pretty standard. Let's go into your settings, take a look at everything you get there. All right, so let's go to all the apps. Let's go to our settings. Okay, sound and vibration, display, change the screen brightness, advanced. Let's see what you got in there. Double press home key. You can change that to what that does. Recent apps, last app, large watch, create reminder, none. Okay, we'll go back. Wow, that's super annoying. Okay, I'm hitting the wrong button, that's why. Advanced connections, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, airplane mode, apps, order permissions, security. Let's go in there. Lock, wake up gesture, account, accessibility. Let's see what you got in here. Screen reader, visibility enhancements, hearing, advanced settings. Let's see what you got in there. Notification reminder off. Let's go ahead and turn that on. Okay. Remind every 5 minutes. Okay, we'll go back. 2-finger triple tap. General. Input text to speech, date and time, reset. Battery. Power saving, about watch, connect to new phone. Okay. So that's pretty nice. Let's see here. So maybe you can only scroll on the bigger ones because it doesn't seem to be working very well. Well, I mean, it looked like it was scrolling for a second. I don't know. It just swiping back and forth seems to work the best. So this scrolling wheel around the watch does not seem to be doing very much of anything. So kind of disappointed with that. Yeah, just swipe back and forth. So it's not like the Galaxy Watch one where you kind of just rotate it and you can go through. You kind of just gotta swipe. So let's go ahead and test out the speaker because it has a mic and a speaker on it. So let's make a phone call real quick. Make a call here. And this is at full volume.
T-Mobile, we're connecting you to your team of experts. If you would rather use our automated system, press 1. We care about your experience, so we may record this call.
So that's pretty much what you can expect from this little speaker on here. It's definitely good for, you know, semi noisy environments, but if it's too loud, you might have trouble hearing whoever's on the phone with you. But for the most part, it'll definitely get you by. So the nice thing is it uses the Tizen software that all their other Galaxy watches usually use. So if you're pretty familiar with that, you're gonna pick this up really quick because it's pretty much the same thing, but we'll go ahead and look at some of the settings anyway. Another nice thing about this is it has Samsung Pay. Now it doesn't have the capability that the phone does, and where the phone uses a magnetic pulse to kind of mimic a card swipe. This uses only NFC, but at least you still have the option to use Samsung Pay, and that way you just hold the back button for a couple seconds and it brings up Samsung Pay for you to use. So that's pretty cool. Now the one thing is it does not look like it has the rotating bezel like the bigger one has or like the Galaxy watch has. This is the smaller 40 millimeter, and it looks like the only way to get through each one is to swipe. You cannot rotate any bezel or anything like that. So that kind of stinks, but that's what you get on a smaller 40 millimeter watch. If anybody knows different, please let me know in the comments. Either I'm doing something wrong or maybe there's something wrong with the watch. So like I said, if you know, please let me know. But otherwise, I'm going to say that it does not have the rotating bezel. And as far as the UI on the app for your phone, it's pretty much the same as all the other Galaxy watches. It's pretty much got the same settings and everything as you can find on the watch, with an exception of a few extra things on there. But as for the Galaxy Active 2, guys, that is pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to drop me a line in the comments. I'll be more than happy to try to answer any questions you might have had about this. Also, I am doing a giveaway for an iPhone 11, just in case you guys are interested. I know we're Samsung here, but just in case, all you have to do is follow that link in the description, follow the directions, and you'll be entered in to win the iPhone 11. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.